Hey, beautiful people, good morning, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, if you're just tuning in for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by at my channel. So, I believe you already know what we're about to make in the video already. So, we are going to be making coffee scrub, and I just added my sugar into the coffee and I mix it together till everything is well combined. And afterwards, I added 2 tablespoons of lemon and 3 tablespoons of honey into it and mix it all well together. Mix it well together till it is well combined once again. And yeah, I'm just trying to see the texture of it and feel it and see what it really looks like. Yeah, and it absolutely looks so fine and amazing. Like the texture is so wonderful, and it's going to be amazing on the skin. So, and here we are done here with everything, and I try to put some on my ends and see what it looks like. I damp my skin before adding it to it. That's one thing you should never forget to do. Make sure you always damp your skin before you start scrubbing. And I'm just showing you guys here that after washing it away, rinsing it off, and what my skin looks like. My skin actually looks so soft, and you know it's really makes sense. The smell of it, the nice smell of the coffee plus the other ingredients added to it just make my skin smell nice, soft and smooth. And of course, if I'm using this for any discoloration on my skin or hyperpigmentation or any black spots, I'm definitely going to see changes as time goes on. So this is the outcome of it, and preferably for me, I always prefer to, when I make scrub like this, I prefer to start using it the next day, not that same day I made it. So yeah, I'm just showing you a picture of it, and that is all, guys.